Your confidence is fake. You pretend. You play the role. But inside, you are terrified. Terrified of judgment. Terrified of rejection. Terrified of being seen for what you really are. Weak. This weakness has ruled your life. It's the silent chain around your throat. Every opportunity you lost. Every person who disrespected you. Every moment you hated yourself came from one thing. The lack of real confidence. Not the motivational garbage they feed you, not the stand tall, shoulders back nonsense. I'm talking about something dangerous. Something forbidden. Confidence so sharp it cuts through people. Confidence that feels like a weapon. That's what this video is. And by the end, you won't just feel confident. You will become something darker. Something people fear. Something people obey. But once you cross this line, there is no going back. Most people crave approval. They bend their behavior around others like slaves, but you cut that leash. The Blade of Disregard means you operate as if approval is poison. When someone tests you, questions you, or insults you, you respond with absolute indifference. Psychology proves it. Indifference is stronger than hate. Why? Because hate still shows they matter to you. Indifference shows they are invisible. When you wield this blade, people break themselves trying to make you care. And the moment they realize they can't, you own them. The world is a battle of frames. Who defines reality wins. Weak people live inside other people's frames. They adjust, they adapt, they shrink. But the tyrant does not enter anyone's world. He forces them into his. How? You declare reality with absolute certainty, even in small things. If someone says, "It's cold today," you respond, "No, it's perfect weather for war." If someone says, "This deal is risky," you say, "No, this deal is inevitable." Here's the secret. Certainty is contagious. The human brain is wired to follow the one who appears most sure of their version of reality. So you don't argue, you declare. And soon, everyone begins to orbit you, trapped inside your gravity. Stillness is not absence. Stillness is dominance. Most people twitch, laugh, over-explain. They bleed their weakness into every second. But the void aura changes everything. You stand motionless, eyes steady, breathing calm. And suddenly, people feel like they're in the presence of something vast, dangerous, and unknown. Here's the psychology. The human brain panics when it can't read someone. Your stillness forces their mind into overdrive, filling the silence with fear and fascination. You don't chase respect. It collapses into you. This aura makes you inhuman, like a void, and the void swallows everything. This is the most dangerous one. People reveal their true selves when you reflect them back. The black mirror means you mimic not their words, but their emotional frequency. Someone insecure? You respond in insecurity, just slightly exaggerated. They'll see their weakness and hate it. Someone arrogant? You reflect arrogance right back, doubled. They'll feel small in their own game. Why does this work? Because the human brain seeks validation and fears rejection. When you reflect their flaws back, it forces their subconscious to confront itself. And here's the twisted part. They won't know why, but they'll submit to you. Because you force them to see the part of themselves they've been running from. Most people cling to their name, their story, their past. But the psychopathically confident man? He wears identities like masks. The shapeshifter's mask means you abandon the need for consistency. You can be ruthless in one room, magnetic in another, unreadable in the next. The psychology is brutal. People fear what they cannot categorize. If they can't predict you, they can't control you. You become fluid, untouchable, a living paradox, and the shapeshifter always wins because he is never trapped in one identity. He becomes whatever power demands. Listen carefully. These are not tricks. These are not confidence hacks. They are weapons: the void aura, the blade of disregard, the tyrant's frame, the black mirror, the shapeshifter's mask. Each one is a kill shot to your old self. Each one will erase the insecure identity you've been dragging through life. But once you use them, you can't go back. You will terrify people. You will isolate yourself from the weak. And you will never again know the comfort of being ordinary. This is why this knowledge is forbidden. Because confidence at this level is not confidence, it's psychological warfare.